Hi everyone, in today's videos we will talk about this program. Some of you might be thinking that this program will print this string that is CppBuzz 5 times, but it is not the case. So I'll discuss more about it. We will also try to compile this program on Linux operating system. So in this video you will learn about VI editor, Linux and GCC compiler and C programming questions. So before that I start, let me open my SSH client. Using this SSH client, I have opened I'm trying to access my Linux machine. So this is basically a mobile external, which is like putty, one SSH client. So let me create a folder. Let's call it Monday. I'll go inside this using cd command, and let me create a file, a C file where I'll be writing that program. So let's name it main.c. You can give it any name. So after that I'll press enter. After pressing enter, since I'm using VI editor, I have to go inside the insert mode. I can do that by pressing I from the keyboard. So you see this message insert. That is now you are ready to type in your program or paste your program. So what I will do, I'll go back to the website. I'll copy this program from here because I do not want to type it from scratch, and paste it. Just do right click. After doing right click, I will get a pop-up and I'll choose OK from here. So before compiling this program, let me include the header file. Header file for this program. So because we are just using printf, so we just need a cd.diu.h header file. And now I will try to compile and run it. And once we run, then I will explain you why it is printing CppBuzz only one time. So how to come out this file? I have to press escape from keyboard, shift semicolon, WQ means write input. I will just hit enter now. After that, I will compile this program using GCC compiler. The syntax, so the syntax is main.c. If I want to create pass my binary name, then I can say main.out. So this is compiled. So this command, the GCC compiler has compiled my program into main.out file. How can I verify? I can verify it by checking the content of this directory by running or by executing ls space -ltr command. So you see there in the output, I can see this directory has one extra file, which is nothing but the output file which we had passed here. This is the binary file output of our program, and now I will run it. How I can run it? The syntax is / and the binary name. So that is how you can run. I will just press enter. See, it is printing CppBuzz, but it is mixing with this text. So to split that, what I will do is I'll go back to this file, open in VI editor, and after printing everything, I will add one more printf function here, and I will just print new line /n. We call it /n on new line. Again, I will come out of this file, escape :wq, enter, and I will compile this file one more time. Again, it has been compiled. I will check the content of this directory. It has been created. This file has been created. Now you can also check the timestamp to make sure this is not the older one. So let me check the current timestamp of this system. This is Friday 14th April 1:42. This is also like 1:41. So here it is showing in 24 hours format. This is 12-hour format that we can ignore, but this is 1:42. So this file was recently created, so we can rely on this file, and now we can run it. So once I run, you see that it's printing CppBuzz only one time. So let me explain you why it is printing this CppBuzz message one time. Some of you might be wondering that why it is not printing 5 times, because you are seeing that this for loop is running starting from 0 to 5. That is, this will run 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0 to 4 times, that is 5 times, but it's not printing this message 5 times. It's because this for loop is terminated by a semicolon. Here, if you see here, if any for loop is terminated by a semicolon, that means whatever body it has, it will not be part of it. So this loop will run 5 times, but this will end here itself, so it will not so this basically this block is not or will not become part of this for loop. So this will run 5 times. After running it 5 times, control will come here and it will print the CppBuzz message on the screen, and it will print just once because we are using only one printf statement. And one more thing, if you want to enable the line number on VI editor, you can just say shift colon set space nu, so that way you can also see number of lines. So I was talking about the line number 6, where we have semicolon at the end of the for loop, and because of that the program is not printing CppBuzz message on the screen 5 times. So that is what I want to explain. And you can also run this program on Windows using any other compiler, like you can use dev C++ or Visual Studio. You can run it. It will be quite easy as if you are doing this on Windows. So you can try this and you can play around with this program and check how it behaves, what different output you get. Anyways, I will come out of this file by pressing escape, shift semicolon. Since I haven't added anything in the program, I can just say Q means quit, and I can also clear the screen. So that is what I want to discuss in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like the program, please do like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.